Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about matter in our surroundings. CBSE class 9, chapter 1. And today we will study about matter. What is matter? What are three states of matter? And what are the three characteristics of matter? And what is the diffusion? And we have to think about matter. What is matter? Matter which needs space and mass, which occupies space and has a mass. Any substance which occupies space and mass, that is known as matter. A wooden piece, a glass of water, liquid, any liquids. These are all matter. Maybe gas, atmospheric air, that is also a matter. And atmospheric air is a mixture of different gases, that is also matter. Matter may be in three different forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. These are all well known facts we are studying from lower classes. To begin with this simple chapter, we have to think about some simple terms and characteristics of matter. Now we have to think about characteristics of matter. And before that, I will show a small activity about the potassium permanganate with water. What will happen? And take a water in a beaker and take potassium permanganate powder, potassium permanganate crystals in it. And I am going to put small pieces. Slowly you can see the color spreading. I was putting only a little bit, 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate. But the color is spreading throughout the container. And these particles are very small. It will show particles of potassium permanganate. It is very small. And we can mix it thoroughly, and then we can see the color of the potassium permanganate crystals spreading everywhere. And it is that the potassium permanganate crystals are filling the intermolecular spaces of water. And as a result, you can imagine particles of matter. It is very small, very small. And we have to think about three properties or characteristics. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract each other. In a solid state, in a metallic piece, if we are trying with our hands to separate that metallic piece into two pieces, it is impossible because that particles are attached to each other with a strong attractive force. And that is why we have to think about these three characteristics. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract each other. And when we are now you can see the color of this particles are slowly changing. And potassium permanganate is spreading everywhere. And the mixing of two substances, particles are mixing together. That process is called diffusion. And all these points are very important to begin with this simple chapter. That is a matter in our surroundings. Okay? Thank you.